Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to edit the confirm subscription email in Mailchimp. This is Mailchimp.com website, and first I will log in to my account by filling my username and password here. Once you're inside your Mailchimp account, just from this left side menu, scroll down to sign up forms below audience. These are your recent forms. Click on view all if you want to, if your sign up form is created very long. In my case, this is it. Now click on this edit button next to the sign up form. You want to edit its confirm subscription email for. Scroll down a little. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Mailchimp online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to set up your Mailchimp account, how to manage your audience inside Mailchimp, also how to create a campaign and manage it, how to create landing pages and forms, integration and API, email customization and personalization, export and download, and also troubleshooting and maintenance. To get all of this today for free, plus these online courses in my university, all you need to do is to go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Scroll down a little bit. Click on this sign up form to see this list. Now select opt-in confirmation email, and this is the confirmation email. To edit it, just click on the title, for example, and you can write your text here. Same thing with these paragraphs below the confirmation button. To edit this button text, for example, just go to translated, and you can see here all the text that you can edit it directly from here. From this list, you can edit the language and also the text of your button, for example, confirm subscription. Now let's see this design it tab. Unfortunately, there is no design tools. And this is how to edit your confirm subscription email in Mailchimp. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.